Do you want to know how you can enable biometrics on Frollo? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can enable the security of biometrics on Frollo. So if you don't have Frollo, just go ahead and install it from the Play Store and sign up for Frollo now. And go ahead and click on Frollo on your phone. You can see that right now the security is enabled as passcode. Go ahead and enter the passcode which you have written down, and what you need to do is click on the settings on the top right hand side. Now to enable biometrics, go ahead and click on security and write down your passcode once again. You can see the use biometrics option on the top, so go ahead and enable it and scan your fingerprint. Go ahead and tap on the screen. Go ahead and confirm your passcode. This is essential as this is really secured. So you can see that you are all set to go. Go ahead and click finish. And let me give you the example. Go ahead and open Frollo. Now you can use biometrics to enter into Frollo. So guys, this is how you enable biometrics on Frollo. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.